Welcome to this 11th video on our subject trigonometry, specifically focusing on the coordinates of the terminal point of the multiples of pi over 4. Let's go! The stage for this topic is the unit circle, which is divided into 8 equal parts. Each arc measures pi over 4 radians, equivalent to 45 degrees. At pi over 4, we form a 45 by 45 by 90 isosceles right triangle. Using the Pythagorean theorem, the coordinates are found to be the square root of 2 over 2 for both x and y. The magnitude of the coordinates is always the square root of 2 over 2. Only the quadrant determines the sign of the coordinates, as shown on the unit circle. Finding the terminal point for small angles like pi over 4 is easy, but what about massive angles? We need a shortcut to avoid drawing every rotation. Our first step is to divide and conquer. Divide the numerator by 4. Separate the whole number of pi from the remainder, which will be a multiple of pi over 4. Step 2 is to locate the starting axis. Look at the whole number of pi. An even multiple starts at the positive x-axis, and an odd multiple starts at the negative x-axis. Step 3 is to move the remainder. From your starting axis, move by the remainder amount. A positive angle moves counterclockwise, and a negative angle moves clockwise. Let's look at example A, p of 25 pi over 4. Break it down to 6 pi plus pi over 4. Start at the positive x-axis, and move counterclockwise by pi over 4. The result is that you terminate in quadrant 1, where both x and y are positive. The coordinates are both the square root of 2 over 2. For example B, p of 31 pi over 4. The breakdown is 7 pi plus 3 pi over 4. Start at the negative x-axis and move counterclockwise by 3 pi over 4. This results in termination in quadrant 4. Therefore, the x-coordinate is positive and the y-coordinate is negative. The coordinates are the square root of 2 over 2, and negative, the square root of 2 over 2. The negative challenge involves factoring out the negative sign first. For p of negative 269 pi over 4, we break it down to negative 67 pi minus pi over 4. Now we apply the logic to the negative terms. Example C, negative with an odd start. Start at the negative x-axis since 67 pi is odd. The remainder is negative pi over 4, so move clockwise. You terminate in quadrant 2, where x is negative and y is positive. The coordinates are negative, the square root of 2 over 2, and the square root of 2 over 2. The master key summarizes the algorithm. Coordinates always have the magnitude of the square root of 2 over 2. The start and rotation determine the quadrant, which dictates the signs. Here is a quick visual guide of what we have talked today. Have a pause and take a shot. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one.